Environment Canada has unveiled its summer weather outlook, and while it doesn't give us specifics, it does look at general trends and odds. And odds are Canadians are in for a hot one.
In the east, the probability for a warmer than normal summer on average is highest. It's definitely higher in the east than elsewhere.
So a hotter summer is likely for Quebec, but what about wildfires? Well, the province is on track to have a largely average season, but throughout August, Western Canada is expected to see very severe wildfires, and that could bring more smoke eastward.
If wildfires do continue out west, the odds are favorable that it will at least have a few bouts of poor air quality through the summer season.
So that's what we know about this summer. But what are climate experts saying about the years to come? Well, in a nutshell, it's going to get hotter and rainier.
And unfortunately, those changes at this point are inevitable in the short term.
Oranos, a Quebec research consortium on climate change, is looking ahead to what our summers will look like in the next decades. Here's an example. Between 1991 and 2020, there were an average of 12 days with temperatures above 30 degrees in Montreal. Between 2031 and 2060, their moderate projections nearly double that number to about 23 days. And if we go even further, between 2071 and the end of this century, the number triples to 36 days.
So if we stopped all emissions today, over hundreds of years, the temperatures would increase a little bit and then stabilize to about where we are now. A return to the climate of the past is very unlikely over the next few hundred years.
And remember when the remnants of Tropical Storm Debbie dropped record amounts of rain on Montreal last year? Well, McRae says warmer conditions can make extreme rain more common and more intense. The question now is, how will towns and cities across Quebec adapt to these new summers?